Hey guys, welcome back to Zonic Tech. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I will be showing you how to turn on TikTok dark mode. How to turn on dark mode in TikTok step by step. It's super easy, but many people still don't know exactly where this option is hidden. So don't worry, just follow along with me till the end, and you will have your TikTok in dark mode in just a few seconds. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe my channel Zonic Tech and press the bell icon so you never miss any of my new and helpful tech videos. Alright, so first of all, open the TikTok app on your phone. Once it's open, you will see your regular feed or reels playing on the home screen. Now look at the bottom right corner. Tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. On your profile page, look at the top right corner and you will see three horizontal lines. Tap on them. This will open your settings and privacy menu. Here you will find a lot of different options, but we are looking for display. If you don't see it right away, just scroll up or down a bit and you will find it easily. Once you find the display option, tap on it. You will see two choices, light mode and dark mode. By default, TikTok usually stay in light mode. That's why your screen looks bright. So to switch to the dark mode, simply tap on dark mode. And there you go. Your entire TikTok interface will instantly change to dark mode. It looks cleaner, smoother, and it's easier on the eyes, especially at night. That's it. You have successfully turned on dark mode in TikTok. So that's how simple it is to enable dark mode theme on TikTok. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Zonic Tech for more useful and easy tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.